Hello guys, so today I want to do some unboxing videos, and first I want to unboxing this cute girly. She's a skull panda plushie. She's like a giant plushie. She's so cute. Even in relationship, she's so cute. And this is her. Look how pretty she is. Oh my god. The texture is so soft and both sides so cute too. And though that love. Oh, she's like giving some fine kiss. For a dress, so cute. And the shoes. Also this for the bag. She looks like a ginger cookie. I don't know, like in a Shrek. I want to compare her with my Demo plushie look. He's really big like her, and I love a big plushie so much. I can hug them both when I'm asleep. And for Demo, she wear like some hoodie and you can take it off. Like this. Oh, that's the ear. So Demo, this series is the special series for China, and it says that there's the Demo fox, I guess. Yeah, look, the hoodie when I put up. So cute. So we have some bells. Yeah. No, and it's for the bag. He has this big tail, so cute. And this is for the skull panda bag. I'm so obsessed. I love it, and I'm also so obsessed with skull panda look. I got unicorn, got pastel and sound. I also got some DJD skull panda. Also, this is for the skull panda bag. The details, guys, I love skull panda so much. And it has some magnetic lock. Also for inside like that. And now it's for the baby Molly. I don't know, this is style like that. I got it for free. And it's like this. Kind of useful though. And this is the last, is the Pitch Riot. I love Pitch Riot too. I got this figure. She's so pretty, and also got this 2 freebies when I went to Opa in Korea. And let's open up this Pitch Riot. Yeah, this is blind box, guys. I love blind box so much. Got her. She's so pretty. And then got the pom-pom and also the nail Pitch Riot. I really love this, guys. Bye. Thank you for watching.